All right, next break.
Deadline is October 19th, and one potential
Gold, Orlando Pace.
Too much sense is the Packers making a play for the Bills' Marshawn Lynch. The Bills have 3 veteran backs now. That includes the rookie. He hasn't gotten a lot of touches. I asked Cam Gailey the other day, why not? He doesn't want to throw him to the Wolves just yet. He feels he needs to be more patient. Team that appears to be headed towards a losing season, they have to get the ball more to Spiller, who's quick, Lynch expendable, and the Green Bay will get louder and louder as we get to October 19th.
A lot of fantasy people would love that move too. Also, after being labeled a bust as a rookie.
Well, the Raiders have been taking heat over this pick from the moment they made it. He was 7th overall in the 09 draft. Just a terrible rookie year. A lot of people no instincts for the position. But take a look at what he's done this year.
Mike Logan, gold.
And that's one more than he had his entire rookie season. And in the last 2 games, they're obviously building targeted Hayward Bay 24 times in the last 2 games. He's improved his route running, his hands are better. He's not there yet, but Darius Hayward Bay is making some strides.
Something to get that from knowing the playbook and having that year under your belt. How about Trevor?
On Wednesday, the Ravens released Trevor, telling him we want to re-sign you the following week. He was on the waiver wire for 2 hours when he received the Jets. He always wanted to play for Rex Ryan, who was the defensive coordinator in Baltimore. Always wanted to play for him when Rex became the head coach. So really a no. Price was expecting to spend his off weekend at a Six Flags amusement park with his family, which would have been a great deal because his salary is guaranteed anyway. So instead of riding a roller coaster with his daughter and his niece, he'll be chasing quarterbacks for the Jets in Buffalo this week.
Thanks so much for the news and notes. Good stuff.
Thank you.
Gold of David LaFleur.
Here on ESPN First Take, Albert Hanslick says he's still having trouble with the defensive line.
He stumbles and trips over Droopy here. Roger that. He goes sprawling. Hits the air, Miss Natural goes flying. Oops.
Yeah, make an hour.
Make your own.
New Sierra Miss Natural. The real sugar and nothing. What do you think happened?
All right, halfway through the box. Work done, gold.
It's not a gift, it's a curse. You're not. I know it. Because Orbit has price insurance, even base marine and computer. They'll send me a check for the difference automatically, so I know I'll get the lowest price. And I like what you expect from a bike and real estate.
Gold, Pat Barnes.
Sunday, Jonathan McNabb returns to Philly.
I think I'm still looking for the 2 rookies.
Now with Jimmy in 6th.
Gold of Walter Jones. Troy Aikman rookie.
If you've taken a look at especially children and elderly,
Gold of Gerald Soule.
Drug regular and have been diagnosed with tardive dyskinesia. 962.
Down now. Talking about the difficulties that he's been having in Washington, D.C. with the Redskins. Here's what
I know my plays and everything to do, but as far as scheme, my technique,
And Kerry Collins, Collector's Edge rookie card.
First and foremost, I blame his new coach, Mike Shanahan. I really thought that Shanahan was shrewd enough that he could break down Haynes. Because I still believe to this moment that Albert Haynes
Gold,
is
Tom Knight.
dominant as any defensive tackle in the National Football League. It appeared to me, again from a distance, managing the situation more with his ego than his
And final pack of Troy Davis, Varsity Club.
and you were not. And he was cutting off nose despite
So again, Kerry Collins and Troy Aikman rookie cards in this box.
died at the end of a 27-yard